Hey guys, this is a video unboxing review of this Aroma Diffuser, so let's open it up and take a look. So it looks super clean, it's very light, 300 ml. Your cord looks pretty long. They have an app, and you can probably put your phone at the screen right now and this QR codes will come up. But just the ability to turn on and off the light, the intensity and whatnot. Sometimes if it's across the room and you don't want to get up, if it's in your bedroom, you just want to go to the app. This is pretty awesome. Yeah, so all in all, great diffuser. Like any diffuser these days, they're all working fantastic. But this one is extra special because it gives you that ability from the app. Hope you guys have a great day and take care.